Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Hari ini saya akan buat video tentang NGN Service, tentang understand various concept in NGN. Yang pertama, Internet of Things atau IoT. Terusnya, Web of Things, WoT. Okay, nama saya Muhammad Amar bin Abdul Malik, nama metrik 15 TP 20F 2014. Rakan sekumpulan saya, Muhammad Naufal Azim Iskandar bin Zulkarnain. Nombor metrik dia 15 EP 20F 2021. Okey, nama pensyarah Wan Saiful Bahari bin Nurani. First one is understand various concepts in NGN. The vision behind the IoT was initially described in detail in an E2 report, which covered the potential technologies, market potential, challenge and implication, as well as the benefit to our country, including the developing ones. IoT is a global infrastructure for the information society, enabling advanced service by interconnection of different physical and virtual things based on existing standards and evolving information and communication. Lastly, the merging of IoT and WWW provide the Web of Things WoT, which is defined as a concept for making use of IoT whether things, either physical or virtual, are connected and controlled via the WWW. The first one is Internet of Things. The IoT paradigm is expected to have long-term influence on the technology as well as society. In the manner, the IoT can be considered as standardization of information architecture based on the NGN concept for enabling information society in practice. The IoT at another dimension referred to as anything communication to the ICT, beside the other two dimension, anytime communication. The Internet of Things or IoT is a system of interrelated computing device, mechanical and digital machine, object, animal or people that are provide with unique identifier or UIDs, and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. This is a figure for Internet of Things or IoT dimension. This is any place communication. This is anytime communication. This is anything communication. At the any place communication as outdoor, indoor, and at the computer. And anytime communication is weekday, weekend, at day, night, and anytime. And for anything communication between things, between computer and between human, or lastly human to thing. Okay.
Okey, seterusnya kita teruskan dengan Web of Things. Definition dia ialah the Web of Things is the refinement of the Internet of Things by integrating smart things not only to the Internet network but into the web architecture application. So kat sini dalam bahasa mudah dia Web of Things dia membuat refinement ataupun penghalusan, bermaksud dia identify IoT iaitu Internet of Things by integrating smart things, maksudnya dia menggabungkan IoT tadi dengan web application ataupun dengan internet network. The Web of Things (WoT) is also a term used to describe approaches, software, architectural styles, and programming patterns that allow real-world objects to be part of the World Wide Web. Bermaksud WoT juga adalah term yang digunakan apabila kita nak access IoT, kita menggunakan software architecture ataupun programming pattern yang untuk untuk dijadikan sebagai World Wide Web. Next adalah WoT, Web of Things Architecture. Just like the OSI layered architecture organizes the many protocols and standards of the internet, the WoT architecture is an attempt to structure the galaxy of web protocols and tools into a useful framework for connecting any device or object to the web. Maksudnya Web of Things ada juga dia punya layer-layer dia, macam OSI layer yang ada 7 tu, untuk sebagai proses access ataupun connect daripada IoT ataupun any device, connect IoT daripada device untuk kepada web. WoT simplifies the process by provides an application layer by the creation of products. Bermaksud WoT telah simplekan proses untuk mengakses creation daripada IoT products dengan mencipta application layer. So ini adalah gambar layer daripada Web of Things architecture. So kita akan tengok layer yang pertama. So first layer ialah access. This layer is the base and acts like spinal cord. Maksud layer ni adalah layer yang paling penting lah. Dia adalah base kepada semua layer ni ataupun base kepada Web of Things. Dan dia sebagai tulang belakang lah. Basically converts anything to a web thing. Maksudnya dia menukarkan IoT thing kepada web thing. This will certainly enable web thing to be interacted with a simple HTTP request like traditional request. Maksud dekat layer first ni dia boleh pakai HTTP request untuk operate dia. So untuk layer tu iaitu find, this layer is to ensure that your thing cannot be easily used by other HTTP clients but also can be findable and usable by other WoT applications. Bermaksud IoT, kita punya IoT ataupun thing tak boleh diguna pakai HTTP clients yang lain, dan juga boleh digunakan dengan Web of Things ataupun web applications yang lain. Dan layer yang ketiga iaitu share. The Internet of Things will only blossom if things have a way to securely share data across services. This is the responsibility of the share layer, which specifies how the data generated by things can be shared in an efficient and secure manner over the web. Bermaksud layer 3 ni adalah layer yang membolehkan kita akses untuk share. Dengan layer yang ketiga ni kita boleh share content kita ke dalam web lah. So untuk last layer ataupun layer yang layer 4, compose. Finally, once things are on the web, layer 1 where they can be found by humans and machines in layer 2 and their resources can be shared securely with others, layer 3, it's time to look at how to build large-scale, meaningful applications for the Web of Things. Jadi kat sini dia nak beritahu dekat layer 1 setelah IoT ataupun things boleh access dekat layer 1, dan setelah yang kedua dia buat layer yang kedua supaya humans and machines, iaitu manusia dan machines boleh find things tu, IoT tu dekat web. Dan layer yang ketiga kita boleh securely share ataupun share content dengan selamat. Dan akhirnya kita akan integratekan IoT dengan WoT ni. Integration of data and services from heterogeneous things to huge ecosystem of web tools such as analytics software and web mashups platform. For example, Google Maps can combine data wishes, addresses and picture using API application programming interface by software developers. Bermaksud dalam layer ni dia membuat integration ataupun gabungan daripada data dan services yang pelbagai ke dalam satu huge ecosystem of web tools. Contohnya seperti analytics software dan web mashups platform. Web mashups platform, for example, contohnya Google Maps boleh gabung data daripada address dan gambar using API dan ni dilakukan oleh software developers. Jadi setakat itu saja pembentangan daripada kumpulan kami tentang IoT, Internet of Things dan WoT, Web of Things. Sekian, terima kasih.